This is our ecosystem. Start playing music or something when you guys want me to stop. This is our ecosystem. So this is the end of mechanism 2. So because our first mechanism is, we're dialed in on our first mechanism. This, we just got to feed it. And that's where we are right now. The cool part is, in talking to you right now, this is working live now. Right now. And it's all about feeding it. It doesn't matter where it comes from. And we believe our purpose statement inside of the Rohrman Auto Group is driving relationships, awesome experiences. And we believe in everything we do that is what it's all about. Not just for the consumer experience, but we also believe that for our employees' experience. And when we can control the experience, we know it's going to be awesome, and we know it's going to be better. And that's where I don't care about leads. I care about high funnel sessions. Because when I get that, guess what? I control it all. Wherever you stop on my tech stack, you see where the tech stack goes across? Wherever you stop, the CDP ingests it. We don't need to do mass marketing anymore. We market to the unique end customer with the message that they want to see, whether it's OTT, CTV, direct mail, Meta, Google AdWords. It doesn't matter. We don't have to do any of that in mass anymore. It's all micro audiences. We're delivering the message that the customer wants to see when they want to see it. Do you see how the experience changes when that happens? It's not, I just serviced my car and I got a coupon. Isn't that frustrating? Or how about, I just bought a car and you get something in the mail saying, come buy a car. Like, that's the 50% that doesn't work. We've got to stop that. And that's what this system does. It's hungry, and you got to feed it. So better is cleaner. So this is what we found. By doing this effectively, here's our journey. So one of our main KPIs, we put all lead types into one bucket. So we fuel it all into phone calls, leads, internet leads, repeat referrals, and service drive. We put it all into one. We let the guys mark manually up to 8% bad leads. That's a smoke number. So like, you have to control that. Everything else is automated, right? So dupes automatically come out, all that kind of stuff. So the only manipulation is at 8%. We give them an 8% variance where they can take leads out. And look at our journey. The last 2 months, and this number, I'm telling you, like, this is the unstuck part. My team was at another conference not too long ago, and one of my directors shared this, and everyone's like, BS, it's not real. I'm telling you, if that's your thinking, get unstuck. You've got to get unstuck. 30% close rate, is it good? Yes, I believe it's good. Is that the end-all, be-all? Absolutely not. Flip it the other way around. 70%. You believe 70% are not buying a car? Like, that's not true. It's not true. And my last slide, I'm going to prove that. But check this out. So 4 Eyes, they're one of our partners. And for the year, they've processed over 5 million leads, new and used. And that's the national close rate right now, 12.5%. Better, cleaner is better. That's what this is. It's just cleaner. It's just cleaner. Cleaner is better. We're selling more cars than we've ever sold before.